Welcome back, guys, to the G and Things. Okay, guys, you're going to take your 6mm Allen key on a ratchet. You're going to get in underneath the bike. Make sure you have your drain pan down here with you. And get in here, you're going to put her onto the drain plug. You're going to make sure you're going the right way, and you're going to loosen it. Like that, okay? Crack loose. I'm just going to take the ratchet off and use my socket. And I'm going to turn it. And I always just make sure I take it off slow in anything I'm doing. I do lots of oil changes and numerous things. Training changes, training fishing fluid changes. Always make sure it's what you're doing before you do it. Everyone makes mistakes. I mean, I don't care how much you know. Everybody makes mistakes sometimes. Just make sure. I know it's sometimes very simple. How could you make a mistake? When you get down laying upside down, you're looking backwards. It's very easy, guys. Okay, so once you start getting the fluid out, you can take the cap off. Sometimes it'll help. What I do is I just go slow. Yeah, and that is oil, so let her drain. Okay, now it's going to chug, so what I do now is take off the filler spout, and that will give you some air to trick the small engines I do. Oh, wow, that's tight. This bike's a 2016, it's got 300 hours on it. Hasn't been used a whole lot. Kind of hard to get your hand down in there at it. I don't know if you can, I already showed you, but it's kind of hard to get your hand down in there on the drain to turn it, to really get any power on it. So I don't recommend this, but you gotta do what you gotta do, guys. I'm gonna try to get a pair of channel locks down in there and see if I can get on her and give her just a turn. It's enough to loosen it. I don't think. There we go. Just enough to crack her loose. Okay, so I got her turning. If you can see, let me just move that. It's too hard to turn with my end of my fingers to show you guys. Yeah, I can take the filler thing off. I mean, this has to come off anyways, so by the time I got this off, it's probably done draining oil, but it needed to come off anyway, so might better do her. There's the dipstick. Alright, so I'm just going to set that in a very clean location, which I just swept my floor here so I can set her there. Alright, now next I'm going to see if it's done draining, and then I'm going to pop the filter off. And it's still draining a little bit there. Make sure it's all finished, okay? This is just oil removal. I'm sure you guys can figure out how to get her back in. Alright, so now I'm going to take off the filter. If my pan will reach from the drip to where my filter is, if not, I'm going to have to get a different one. I think it might be alright. See if I can place the light up in here some way for you guys to see. Alright, now can I do this with my hands? I wonder. I couldn't get the filler. There it is right there. I'm looking on camera seeing if you guys can see it. There it is right here.